Hi, once again, everybody. It is 12:29 and 36 seconds on June 8th. This is mini number 1 for the Batman 232 slab. Over here on the left are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place gets to choose 4 spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place, after the winner has chosen their 4 spots, second place person gets to choose 1 spot. People like Matt and Isaac, who have picked 2 spots in the mini, could come in first and second place and then get to choose all 5 spots. I'm just stating the obvious. So here we go. 3 dice, numbers 14, and away we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one. 14. Matt Maring, spot 1, gets to pick 4 spots. Dan Durante, spot 5, the final spot filled. After Matt picks, you get to pick 1 spot. Time is 12:30 and 49 seconds.